Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tie is the wee tube fly, obviously. And the vase is a slipstream 1-inch copper tube. And this one's called the special spring. Now, I'm just going to put a tag on the back. This is the Glow Bright Floss number 10. So 5 or 6 turns there. Trim that away. The tag end. Then just build this tag up. You want it to be nice and bright, so. And then I'll just come in and throw in a whip finish. Make that nice and tight. Trim it away. Now if you're new to tying tubes, just make sure you leave yourself enough room at the back of the tube here, and that's just to slip on your silicone sleeve. Can be luminous orange, clear, whatever colour you like. Now I don't like to use the UV resins all the time, so this is some super glue onto the Glow Bright Floss first. I just think that the super glue and then varnish just helps to hold the colour of the Glow Bright Floss a bit better than using the UV resin. So I'm going to let that dry. I'll varnish it, let it dry, and then we'll come back and complete the rest of the fly. Okay guys, so that's us back. So the thread I'm going to use to tie the remainder of the fly is Uni Thread 801 black. So just come in at the end of the tube there, run on about 4 or 5 mil of thread. Now the rib, you can use any different colour wire if you wish. I'm just going to use this as a solid wire from Vineyards, number 25. So we'll catch this in on the way down and underneath the tube. Just bring that tight up, your thread turns tight up against the Glow Bright Floss. The body is a large silver holographic tinsel. Catch this in, let's flick it up. What I do is use the tinsel to give me a measurement sort of way for the head. As you can see away I'm short there. So just bring that over the back, and then we'll just work our thread up. It doesn't have to be close touching turns. So we'll get near knickers in a twist. Just tie the tinsel in. Just work it up nice and tight. Like a wax will help here. And then just come around with your silver holographic and overlapping turns. Now you can put some super glue on or varnish onto the thread before you wind this up if you wish. That's up to you. To that point there, catch in the silver holographic, trim that away, then come up with your rib about 5 times, ribbing the body, and catch that in nice and tight. And then bend and break away the wire. Right. Just put another wee lick of wax on. Just bring the thread as close as it dare go to the end of the tube. We'll bring it back again now. Now the wing, we're just going to sort of spin the wing round the whole of the tube. And what you're looking is a yellow, a light blue, and a pinch of black bucktail. Now you can use a dark blue, like a royal blue, it works as well. Now the length that you want the wing, it's your own personal preference, it's really up to you. You just got to bear in mind that you're going to put a sleeve on the back with either a double, treble or a single hook. Now what I like to do is just bring it up, measure the length of the body. So twice the length of the body over the back. You just hold it on top and then just come around with your thread. Just encourage it round, just be brave. Just let it go right the whole way right round. Good half a dozen turns in. And keep your thread tight. The reason why it hasn't wanted to roll round is because of the tube adapter. Just keep your, never let your thread go here because it'll just go off the end of the tube on you. Just make sure it's the whole way right round. And that's where you want it. Then come in, your first cut will be your base cut here. And that should be the cut that you follow right the whole way right around the tube. You don't want any of the stub ends sticking out at the front. Now, what I like to do is come back and hold the hair and just take a few of these thread turns back to there and then work my thread forward over the cut ends. Now, you just got to be careful you don't slip off the end of the tube. And if you do, don't worry, just keep your thread tight. To there. I'll get a wee look. Happy enough with that. Now, wee bit of flash on top. This is just some of the Kingfisher Blue micro flash from Vineyards. And just, I don't know, about 5 or 6 strands should be enough. Just want to fold it back. It's really thin, the micro flash. Now the first bunch you offer up is just much the length of the tube. Just come around with a few turns and then fold the waist ends back. I'm just going to trim these shorter. Just moisten those for the next fry. Another wee leg of wax, and just to finish off them, 2 jungle cock, fairly big ones, because it is an inch tube that you're tying, or that I'm tying, sorry. Now you could mix it up a wee bit here. You could put a chartreuse wire on the body, make the body gold. It's really up to you. So just get my 2 jungle cock eyes, offer them up, just come in, just a couple of turns to see what way we're sitting. Happy enough for that. So we like a wax, a couple of turns down over the eyes, come in and fold these back, always keeping your thread tight. Never let the tension go out of your thread. And just build up your head. Don't be shy of the size of the head on the fly either. It's a big tube. Big inch long copper tube. Nice and tight, keeping your thread tight. Should be able to break away the stems. And then just come in and roll in a whip finish. Nice and tight. Pull your thread tight. Come in from where your tying thread. Right, I'm going to wee look at it. That's 100%. First coat onto the head. Seal everything up. We drop a super glue. Right the whole way right round. What I would say tell you is too, guys, when people are tying these, don't feel the need to cover up the whole of the copper tube at the front. The fish on that mind. and we'll let that dry. Right, just take it out to show you. I'll come in and hit this with a couple of coats of varnish once it's dried. So let's put it back on gently, bring it back in for you to see, and that's it there. So that's your special spring salmon fly. Right, we get a better look at it if I put it in a needle like this. That's it there. So hopefully you've got something from that, guys. Don't be shying away from spinning the bucktail. It's dead easy. Once you do one or two, you'll be grand. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. And as always, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.